All right, folks, welcome back to the class. Today we will learn how to do the technical and fundamental analysis for the week coming. This is 21st of the June 2020, and I'm having a look at the chart like euro dollar on one candle, 1 hour candle. This is short term. We look at everything today. This is 1 hour candle. I don't have to tell you that. You already know it. And look, the price actually closed here today on a support one level. But what's generally direction telling you in a short term? In the short term, it's still saying that euro dollar is drifting down slowly. Right, as you can see here. Now, I've told you already that the black one is 20 days moving average, and the blue one is 100 days, and then the red one is 200 days. Right? Now, according to them, look, this is okay. 20 days moving average. That's like a resistance level for the euro dollar. But again, the first thing is because this is short term, it's an hourly, and price doesn't go straight all the way. So what happens is it might just turn back from here and just go up to the pivot point, and then might follow down again. Right now, RSI. Look at the RSI. This is RSI indicator, right? RSI is also saying that this is in bearish control now because it's below the 50 mark. When it's in bearish control, it's pointing downward as well, as you can see. That's also indicating that the euro dollar at the moment, either a short term, is actually on a downtrend. So, okay, let's see another thing now. Another picture. Let's get rid of all this, because whenever I will go to the new chart, then the lines will change. So, okay, let's go to the 4 hours chart now. 4 hours and 30 days. What did that tell? Wow, amazing, isn't it? I mean, look. Now, the 20 days moving average here is also saying that euro dollar has made a U-turn. Basically, is facing downwards. Now, it's not a permanent turn around, but the 20 days moving average is saying that it's going down, and then 100 days moving average, which is this blue one, is also is broken as well. So there is another third, the support level, which is 200 days moving average, right? The 200 days moving average is a support, but still it hasn't gone to that yet. But generally speaking, again, here, look at the RSI again. RSI here, again, is below 50 and is saying that is in bearish control. And the line at the end is also pointing downwards. That's also showing me technically that, it hasn't been sold yet, because either it come to 30 or below 30, even if it come to 20, then I will think about, I think that this trend is changed. But right now, all of this is showing me that the trend is actually downwards, the euro dollar. Now, we will confirm that afterwards. Let's have another look on another indicator. Okay, let's have a look, the Bollinger Band. What is that saying? Hey, the Bollinger Band, the top green one is the top band, obviously, and the bottom green one is a lower band. So this is the top one, Bollinger Band. Now look, even the Bollinger Band, the top one is pointing downwards, right? It's broke the 20 days moving average as well in the Bollinger Band, and it's actually at the edge, right at the edge of the lower band. So what does that mean? It's the long term is actually downwards, but obviously it might come back for correction, or might go back to the pivot point and then start going down again, or it might go up to the Bollinger Band first for the top one, and then you make a U-turn again. But in RSI also, again, exactly same thing, RSI. Yeah. RSI, exactly the same thing. Look, it's below the 50 mark and it's pointing downward. So that's another indication for me to Mr. Euro dollar is in trouble. And I think the long term is actually on the downside. So let's have a look at the daily now. So daily, what is that saying? Daily, right. Daily, it was going up before. And the Bollinger Band is here as well. But let's have a look at this is 20 days moving average. Sorry, the 100 days, the blue one. I'm sorry, I beg your pardon. 100 days moving average has been broken, right? And that means the next one will be 20 days here, and then there you go. Now, it's also facing down with Bollinger Band at the top is also convincing me that euro dollar is making a U-turn. Now, this is another resistance line. This is the second support line. This is my own support line. Now, the pivot points are all here, yeah? Pivot points are all here. And this is my third support line. Now, it's very close to my second support line. And, now, is he going to break this down or is he going to turn around from here? We'll have to wait and see. But as you can see, one thing is clear here, and that is that euro dollar was on an uptrend and he has made a U-turn. See? Now, these are daily candles. This is not a short term, yeah? This is a one-day candle. One-day candle. Every candle is 1 day. So it stayed around few prices, like, up to the resistance level for 1, 2, 3, 4. And the fourth day, it started drifting down slowly, as you can see, then here, and then here. And every day is actually coming down and down. Now, it's at a point here on the support level, but short term, it might bounce back or carry on going down. Now, let's see why. I'm not sure. And how can we be sure? Let's have a look at just one more thing. Yeah, one more thing. I won't bore you too much, but you need to check all this before you actually jump into trading. Yeah, only to help you this. Okay, if I go on the weekly chart now, look at the weekly chart. The weekly chart is also saying the similar thing, that euro dollar, because this is 1 week candle, right? This is 1 week candle. It went to the resistance line, and 1 week, 2 week, third week is made a U-turn, right? And now it's here in a very, very, very tight range. So there'll be another candle for the next week here. And in this week, it's also broken, as you can see this, Bollinger Band moving average. It's also broken that. So that means the next one is around here. So this is a long way down. So that's another indication that, I think even on a weekly basis or monthly basis, the euro dollar, in my opinion, according to the technical analysis, is quite bearish. So in bearish, we just sell on highs and wait till the price goes slightly high, and then we sell it. Right, now let's go to the fundamental. Now this is fundamentals tomorrow chart. Tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow what's going to happen? Let's see if the data coming out. Oh yeah, look, euro. Yeah, look at this. There's a report coming out. If you click on this button, if I start going into the detail here, then this video will be an hour. All you can do is click on this, and then obviously the window will open up. Let me just show you one time here. And this is the definition. This speech event is going that the Dr. James Weidman is the president of the Dutch Bank. He is a member of the Government Council of the ECB and has some responsibility in communications, legal, economics, research center. Right. He's going to make a speech tomorrow, right? Now, when he will make a speech, beg your pardon. Oops, sorry. No, yeah. There you go. When he's going to make a speech, that will make a difference, right? So let's go back to our page. Now, let's see how many of speech is going. Is he speaking, and then it's another one euro speech, which is after that. There you go. That's a euro dollar. Now, euro, sorry, it's only euro, I beg your pardon. It's only euro. So reports coming out about euro tomorrow, which is at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. That's the UK time. This one will be around 11. We don't know what time. I mean, that's it's not applicable. So it might be 11 or half 11, something like that. They will let you know anyway. So now these two can make euro up or down. That depends on their reports tomorrow. Then have a look at that. 12:30, the American, Chicago Fed National Activity Index is coming out of the May, and then existing home sale, anything to do with the United States and euro. Look, a lot of data coming out tomorrow, man. A lot of data. Lot of data. Now, these are timing here as well. 12:30, 1400, quarter past 2, 1500, like 3 o'clock. That's a Canadian anyway, forget that. But 3:30, there's a US, and then another 3:30, a US. So all these data are going to make a difference to both, to euro and the United States dollar. So you are trading, when you are trading all this, euro against the dollar, then you got to keep an eye. So this Monday, which is tomorrow, all these news will decide the future of euro. The future of euro means which way the euro is going to go. You need to look at these fundamentals, obviously, and all these things will matter on the dollar and the euro because you are trading a pair euro against US dollar. See? So you got to wait and see when the data comes out. 4.33 million, 4.2 million is expected. Let's see if it comes higher than expected and lower than expected. If it's lower than expected, that's bad for the euro. If it's higher, then obviously it will be good. But because it's coming after the two speeches, so these speeches will make a lot of difference here. These expected figures might change tomorrow. We don't know that yet. That will happen after the speeches, or maybe they will stay the same. We'll have to wait and see. So this is how you do your fundamentals as well. And then, then you go back to your pair, and then you see how there you go, your graph. Let me just rub this off because that is not relevant anymore. So this is how you do your fundamentals and weekly and daily and analysis on different kind of chart all the time, whichever type of trading you are doing. I've explained you already about the types of trading and stuff. So whichever trader you are, but this long story short, at the moment, in my opinion, the euro is in trouble and is on downtrend. Let's see if it stays that way. Thanks very much. You have a lovely trading and good luck.